Greetings, Zodiac Sign Sagittarius, Sagittarius Sun, Sagittarius Rising, and Sagittarius Moon. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. If you are new, welcome to you. Please remember to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell. These are general readings, and for those of you who would like to have a personal reading with me, please visit my website www.amalightworker.com and email me at amalightworker@gmail.com. For those of you who are interested to know more, I have done and uploaded a whole new reading for your sign and for each sign of the zodiac, and that is available for download and purchase. For those of you who are interested, the link for that is posted down here below. That's the Vimeo link. With that being said, now let's focus on this Akashic Records reading for your sign, Sagittarius Sun, Rising and Moon for May 2021. The Akashic Records are indicating that for many of you, you may feel a little bit overwhelmed. You are not going to know exactly what is it that may be triggering you. They are indicating also your inner emotions could be triggering you a little bit, inner turmoil, not feeling quite 100% decided or sure, questioning everything, questioning motives. It feels like you are going to put everything under perspective. You could be looking at your life with a magnifying glass. You could be working on a project or anything else that requires for you to follow instructions or to follow directions. Pay attention also to how something that is happening in the family may be affecting you, because for many of you, you are going to have some mixed reactions, mixed emotions. For some of you Sagittarians, recently you had to do some letting go of. For other ones, maybe it has been a long time, maybe it's not so recent anymore. But whatever happened that you needed to let go, whether that was a relationship, emotions, material wealth, a job, a dream, whatever that was, you had to go through a transformational process. In May, you are also going to be affected by different eclipses. And it feels that you are going to reach a culmination point where something finally will come to an end, and is going to be a much anticipated end. For those of you who have been struggling a little bit with legal cases, court cases, lawsuit situations, and maybe the case was being dragged, okay, it has been going on for a little while, you had to deal with delays as well. Now in May, you are going to be given a real solution. In May, you are going to be receiving news about either this case is closed or this case is being given the green card to go, the green light to go ahead and proceed. You may be helping somebody who is going through some sort of a process that has to deal with getting a visa, international travels, studying abroad, immigration-related situations, or citizenship-related situations. You have to go through certain expenses, certain bills, certain accounts that you have, and you have to examine everything very carefully. For some of you, there's going to be a need for you to transfer some money. You may be transferring money from one account to another, from one portfolio to another, from one investment to another. During this time, some of you may also use other money transferring services to give or to receive money. Anything that has been owed to you now will find a way to be repaired or to be paid back to you. If IRS owes you some money, if anyone owes you a reimbursement of your funds, if anyone owes you a favor, it feels like all of these things now are going to find a way to come back to you. You are about to enter a 12 months cycle, and for some of you, it could be even longer. So, at least minimum, you are entering a 12 months cycle that is going to feel very rewarding. Opportunities are constantly going to show up for you beginning from May, going forward in next May 2022. And these opportunities are going to be offered to you in terms of your job and your career, in terms of new ways for you to earn money. And I'm also getting the sense also opportunities for you to earn some passive income. When it comes to love, there's going to be something shifting, and it's going to be like a huge change that is going to feel like baba bing, baba boom. That's the words that the Akashic records are using. For those of you who have been single and maybe feeling like your life in the love department is not moving along, in the hard time of the next 12 months, there's going to be a lot happening with your relationships, with you falling in love, and even having to deal with certain people from your past. Everything is coming out of the shadows now. Where is it that you need to understand and realize the truth about a situation? Where is it that you need to understand and realize the truth about a person that maybe previously you were not aware of? All of that is going to come forward. It's going to be very difficult for you not to understand the truth because, so to speak, this information or the truth is going to hit you in your face. If you are someone who has been struggling a little bit with your reputation being damaged, other people presenting your work as their own, other people getting credit for your work, all of that is now going to shift and is going to change because somehow this time around you are going to present the facts, you are going to present the evidence, you are also going to have other people who are going to speak up on your behalf or people that are going to stand up and defend you. If you are dealing with enemies or people that in some ways are trying to damage you, it doesn't matter whether they're trying to damage you financially, they're trying to damage your reputation, they're being overly critical for no reason, they're trying to hurt your feelings, it does feel that other people are going to intervene to defend your honor or to say two kind words on your behalf. And while all of this is happening, you may completely be in the dark that this is happening. You may not even be aware that this is happening. And this could also be a reflection of any comments that you may be getting in anything that you may be posting on your social media. You could feel a little bit perplexed or have mixed feelings about some global news that may be going around. Could be about a particular country, could be about the economics, the finances of the globe, could be about other things that are happening right now in the world. But you may also be a little bit shocked by some big revelations connected to politicians or celebrities. So it feels like you're going to be a little bit affected by everything, but nevertheless, you are going to be moving forward. Sagittarius, it's now time for you to start rerouting some of your goals. It's now time for you to start maybe shifting or changing some of your decisions because your life is shifting, changing, and transforming. You are transforming as an individual with your beliefs, with your belief systems. You are shifting and transforming with your feelings. How you used to see the world, how you used to see yourself, all of that is now shifting and changing because now you are also able to see the large picture and the small picture. You are now able to see the long-term goals, the long-term vision that you have for your future, and the short-term vision. For the time being, it would be best for you to also select better your priorities. Your daily life will be shifting and changing. There could be something with your line of work that now needs to be done differently. Other things that have to deal with your personal matters and how you divide your time during your day, that may be changing and shifting once again. You are going to be looking at different devices, different systems, different things that you use, that in some ways you're going to figure out where is it that you can change something so that you can facilitate how long it takes you to do something. Could be internet connected, okay, or how long it takes you to get control over certain matters. So it feels like overall you're going to find something that is going to make something that you do more efficient. Could be internet connection more efficient, could be maybe has to do with your work. You're going to find a different way of doing stuff that is going to be more efficient. It's going to be, the environment of your home. Something needs to shift and change so that it becomes more efficient. I'm also getting that for some of you, you may have to deal with windows, cleaning windows, replacing windows, some small repairs around the place where you live that may show up during this time. And for those of you who are thinking about renovations of some sort, they're telling me that renovations are very much going to be possible and you are going to be able to afford them. Some of you are going to be dealing with negotiations. You may need to negotiate whatever you are looking to purchase, a service, products, and you may need to negotiate the price. You may need to negotiate in terms of a legal related situation. For some of you, you have to negotiate a deal. And I'm also shown that networking in May will prove to be very lucky for you. So for many of you, somehow you're going to find yourself networking, networking, networking. You may get an invitation to belong to a community. This could be a Facebook group. This could be an online community. This could be a country club. This could be a book club. This could be a social club. So you are going to look into what else you can do to enrich your life, maybe by joining some kind of a subscription or membership, or to be part of a social group. I am also shown that for some of you, you may be thinking of some sort of a cruise. Now, I don't know if in other parts of the world cruises are still on. I don't know exactly what is happening, but for some of you, I'm shown that maybe this is where your heart wants to be, or maybe you're going to plan for this now with the promise that the world is going to go back to normal. So I'm getting a lot of images of a boat, walking by water, thinking of traveling, reminiscing over the good old times. And in May, you are also going to have reunions with friends and family. If you are a pet owner, you may be a little bit concerned about your pet because for some of you, I'm getting that you may need to go to a vet. If you are someone who has some on and off problems with your teeth, you may want to go for a second checkup. So anything that may be coming up that is connected to your teeth, the health of your teeth, the advice is to address it. It doesn't have to be a big deal. They're not making a big deal about this, but you're going to be and feel more peaceful in your mind if you address any little concern with your health overall, but particularly with your teeth. For some of you, you may have to do a new prescription refill, or you may have to check on a prescription for your eyeglasses. That's what I'm getting for some of you. And you still may want to be a little bit patient. There's a lot going on, and yet at the same time, nothing is going on, which is a very weird place to be right now for you. But above all, remember that yes, you are very wise, but you also have to continue to be very patient when you deal with people. In some cases, it's best not to say anything because you may say something that you are going to end up regretting. People may be a little bit irritated, particularly at the beginning of the month. For many of you, the Akashic records are indicating that somehow you are going to end this month of May on a high note. Your sexual magnetism, your charm is going to be at all times high. People are going to be commenting on your looks. Many of you could be going for something that will change and transform your appearance. It could be a spa treatment. It could be changing your hair. It could be other cosmetic procedures that you may choose to do at this time. Something from the past that somehow you thought nothing will come up may show up again as an offer. It could be about lost opportunities that somehow are going to reappear again, but in a new way. You need to pay attention to where you are placing everything because you may be dealing with misplaced items, things that you thought you lost. So maybe your memory may not always serve you right. So pay attention to where you are placing your personal belongings, and I'm even getting the sense that for some of you, you're going to be parking your car and you're going to not be so sure to where exactly is it that you parked. A boss, a superior, or a family member that somehow has a lot of power in the family may want to have a private chat with you. They may want to check in on you. They may want just to open up to you. There's going to be these moments of bonding between you and another person. This could be in work. This could be at home. This could be with another person that somehow you're going to feel that now you are getting closer at an emotional level. If you are struggling with some fears, now it feels that for some reason, most of your fears will be addressed. There's always that sense of hesitation. There's a reason for the fear to be around. There's a healthy expression of fear, and there's expression of fear that keeps you trapped in your current state. So I'm talking about this ungrounded fear that now you are going to see it for what it is, and it's no longer going to stop you or block you. There is this inner freedom. Frame yourself from any limiting behaviors, any limited emotions, any limited set of beliefs, and that is the true breakthrough that many of you are going to experience. There is the promise about some money soon to come in. For some of you, you're going to see this money right now in May, but also in the next 2 or 3 months, there's going to be a lot of emphasis in more money coming in. And remember that this energy that is beginning now in May is going to continue for a lot of you for the next 12 months at least or longer. And it is the energy of you reaping the rewards and the energy of blessings where a lot could be happening when you least expect that is going to happen. For some of you, they're showing me that you're going to go back to doing some form of breathing exercises. Could be yoga, could be Tai Chi, could be qigong, could be something else that you do that helps you with your breathing, and as a result it helps your body better, your health. So it feels that some blessings are quietly happening behind the scenes. You may not see the evidence of it just yet, but rest assured that you are now going to get in touch with all of the rewards that karma has to give you. There's a lot of things that are happening with different planetary movements and combinations of different planets, and they are all going to be working very well on your behalf. So don't be afraid if you may struggle a little bit here and there, because it feels like the bigger rewards are coming in, especially in love, especially in terms of your happiness, and especially in terms of your emotions. You finding and redefining your freedom once again, once more. I'm very curious to hear from you. Do leave me a comment down here below. I hope that this is making sense to you. And of course, if you would like to know more, for those of you who are interested for download and purchase, please click in the link down here below, and that's going to take you to the Vimeo videos where I did another reading for your sign and for other signs. If you'd like to book a private consultation with me, please email me at amalightworker@gmail.com or visit my website www.amalightworker.com. Thank you, like, share, subscribe, and I will reconnect with you in the next video. Bye for now.